Another day, another chance to practice English. Let's practice noun suffixes. This review lesson brings together the noun suffixes you learned in other worldwide ELT videos. You can find previous lessons and links in the description. The noun suffixes are age, why, hood, ship, itty, ance, ment, ness, ant, ist, logy, and ism. Now watch and add the correct suffix to the word in blue to make a noun. One. The teacher made an announcement before class started and told us about the schedule change. Two. The glass breakage happened during cleaning, so we had to sweep up the small pieces. Three. The pianist played a beautiful song, and the audience clapped loudly at the end. Four. The walls were painted a soft, creamy color that made the room feel warm and calm. Five. We put the old boxes in the storage room, where we keep things we don't use often. Six. Many people around the world follow Buddhism, a religion that teaches peace and mindfulness. Seven. Her kindness made everyone feel welcome. She always smiled and helped new students. Eight. She studies psychology at university because she wants to understand how people think and feel. Nine. We all liked her clear and honest leadership during the group project. She helped everyone stay on task. Ten. There is a real possibility that it will rain, so we should take our umbrellas just in case. $11. The movie was about capitalism and how people try to make money by owning businesses. $12. They have been friends since childhood, when they played together in the same neighborhood. 13. His curiosity helps him learn new things. He always asks lots of questions. 14. My sister is a biologist at the local lab. She studies animals and plants. 15. The assistant helped the teacher with the books and handed out the worksheets. 16. The darkness made it hard to see the road, so we turned on the headlights. 17. We learned about rocks and soil in our geology class at school. 18. The prisoner showed acceptance of the new rules by following them without complaint. 19. We saw big improvement in his writing. His grammar and spelling were much better. 20. I saw a silvery light in the sky last night. It looked like the moon behind thin clouds. 21. The occupant of the room wasn't there, so we left a message at the door. 22. She talked about the joys of motherhood, like caring for her baby and watching him grow. 23. Their performance in the play was very good. They remembered all their lines and spoke clearly. 24. The two companies have a strong partnership, and they often work on big projects together. Thank you for practicing English with Worldwide ELT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.